Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset the Google Chrome web browser without reinstalling the browser itself, as well as not clearing any of your saved passwords that are currently on your web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty quick tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start this tutorial off by opening up the Google Chrome web browser if it's not currently open. And then you want to go up to the menu icon in your top right corner of your browser. You want to just left click on that and then left click on settings. Now on this page you want to scroll down until you get to the area that says advanced. Left click on advanced and then scroll down again until you get to the area underneath reset. Restore settings to their original defaults. Left click on that. Now you will get a little dialog window here saying this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. Before you commence by left clicking on reset, you can unselect the help make Chrome better by reporting current settings. It's a personal preference, and then once you've made your decision on that, left click on reset. This will begin the process. It shouldn't take that long, but you still want to be patient though. If it takes a couple seconds to run, it could take up to a minute or two from my past experience. And once it's done, I would recommend restarting your web browser and you should be good to go. So I do have this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.